Hi guys, this is me, Kim, your a farm hunter, and welcome to our Pride Month special chikahan dito lang sa aking channel. So for today, ang ating pag-uusapan ay ang issue kung ang trans women ba ay women at paano nga ba nakakatulong yung paniniwala natin na dapat ang trans women ay women. So first and foremost, let's talk about the science behind transgender women. So as we all know that biologically, transgender women are not women kasi it's a transition from you are given birth as a male and then you transitioned into the opposite gender of what you have. So of course, biologically, talagang nag-start as male ang transgender woman. And but it's not only about biology anymore because there are a lot of different science that studies mental, behavioral, and some others ways of studying science. And let's not discredit na biologically lang yung pagiging transgender woman ng isang tao. So dito na pumapasok yung psychological and which is sociological saka yung anthropology. So there are three branches of science that also studies and discusses about trans women as women. So maybe in biology it's not defined as it is, but in psychology it's already defined that transgender women are women. And it's a different kind of women, but they are women since nandun na nga yung word na woman. So same thing with sociology and anthropology. These are different branches of sciences that tackles about history, mental, behavioral, and some different aspects. Let's not go into details about the differences of those sciences. But of course, in those three sciences, we consider transgender women as women. So that's the reason kaya nga siya may women, it's because it's a certain type of women. So maraming ayaw na tawagin yung sinasabi yung real women as cisgender women kasi ayaw daw nila nung ganun. But that's the term, that's the psychological term of science na binibigay in order for people to understand the discussion of psychology, sociology, and anthropology in terms of the studies of transgender women. Life of transgender women is also being explained by those three other sciences, and we cannot discredit that because they are also branches of science. And we all know that a human experience involves not just being born with the cervix or the uterus and everything, or it's not just being a woman is about to carry a child or to have menstruation. That's not the only matter. That's only biology. And the way how a woman lives her life is also being studied on those three different sciences. And yun ang nagsasabi that transgender women are women. So pupunta na naman tayo ngayon sa part kung bakit nakakatulong na dapat natin i-pursue ang idea that trans women are women, being trans women ourselves. Kasi the cost is greater than any individual or any one of us. So there is a cost, there is an awareness, merong advocacy in order for us to promote acceptance, understanding, awareness of being what is a trans person. So a lot of people don't understand and don't know what is a trans person or what is a trans woman. So maraming haka-haka at napakadami ding opinion towards being what is a trans woman. So dito papasok yung cause and yung inclusivity na tinatawag natin. Bakit kailangan maging inclusive tayo to women's spaces? At bakit isinusulong yon ng Miss Universe at ng iba't ibang organisasyon para magkaroon ng mga laws towards the right and the equality towards the LGBTQIA people, including na tayong mga trans woman. Dahil kung meron ng magandang pag-uunawa towards us, magkakaroon na ng mga laws at mga legislations na makakatulong sa pagprotekta para sa ating mga minority, which is the LGBTQIA community. Kasi we are promoting to be included into a safe and common spaces into the woman category. Kasi saan tayo papasok ng CR? Saan tayo magla-locker room? Sa mga spaces na only for women, if we don't pursue trans women as women, we cannot enter into that kind of situation. At bakit nga ba kailangan gustong i-promote ng mga government ang ganong klase? Like for example, the gender identity law kung saan pinoprotektahan dahil ang gender identity law ang nagbibigay ng karapatan sa bawat trans women to access common spaces of women. Like for example, pag sinita ka sa bathroom, sa locker room, or any other kinds of opportunity that are only open for women, magiging open na din sa atin as trans women. It's because the law is protecting us to do so. Pero maa-achieve lang natin yung ganong klaseng law sa Spain or sa other countries na progressive kung ang gobyerno at ang komunidad ay accepted tayo bilang women, that we can access into that common spaces for women. And including empowerment, women empowerment. Bakit pinopromote ng Miss Universe that trans women are women and included into the feminism and the women empowerment? It's because the cause is the most important thing. It's not about Angela Ponce doing that Miss Universe just to, to be there. It's not. Diba? There's no reason for that. Kaya siya nandun is to promote awareness, magkaroon ng malaking dissemination ng information that trans women are women. At yun ang pinaglalaban ng hindi lang sa ating mga trans women, pati ng mga allies natin sa community. And to summarize everything, if you are a transgender woman or a part of the LGBTQIA community, nakikiusap po kami na intindihin nyo kung bakit kailangan nating i-promote that trans women are women. It's because kung ikaw ay nagiging hinder sa advocacy na yon, mas maraming trans people na namamatay because of transphobia. And of course, violence against trans women and women in general. So yun ang point doon. It's not because we have our own spaces. Yes, we do. And we are happy to have our own spaces. But why are we opening that idea that we are entering that women's spaces? Hindi tayo nang hihimasok, kundi gusto natin ma-include tayo doon, maisama tayo doon, dahil gusto natin na ituring tayong ganon. Because in my point of view, bilang isang babae, protected by the law of Spain, babae po ako sa passport, sa pangalan, at protektado ako ng law of Spain. At kung sa akin lang wala na akong pakialam, di ba? Sana kung kayo ganyan kayo, di ba? Ganun kayong paniniwala nyo. Because myself is already taking advantage of that law. Pero gusto ko ma-experience din ninyo yun, mamuhay ng isang babae na kompleto physically at legally. And psychologically kasi, it affects us sociologically, and the history of anthropology will also be explained in the future to that. Times are changing, at yun ang pinopromote natin. Kaya kung ikaw ay hindrance ka sa promotion and acceptance ng pagiging babae natin, mag-iba ka na lang, huwag ka na lang maging transgender woman, and don't call yourself trans woman. Just call yourself trans without the woman. That's all.